If you're seeing an X.com or Twitter authentication error, don't worry. This is usually a browser or session issue, and in most cases, you can fix it in just a minute. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to get past the login problem and get back into your account. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. First, try logging in through your browser instead of the app. Open your preferred browser, go to X.com and sign in there directly. Sometimes the app has a temporary authentication issue, but the browser login works just fine and lets you back into your account. If that does not solve it, the next step is to clear your cookies and cache it. On your keyboard, press Ctrl+Shift+Delete at the same time. This opens the Clear Browsing Data menu in most browsers. In that menu, make sure you select Cookies and Cached Files, then choose the time range you want to clear. If you want the most reliable result, clear everything related to stored site data for X.com or Twitter. Once that is done, confirm the action and let the browser finish deleting the data. After clearing the cookies and cache, go back to X.com and try logging in again. In many cases, this removes the old session data that was causing the authentication error in the first place. If the browser login works, you should be able to access your account without the error message coming back. So to quickly recap, first try logging in through the browser instead of the app, and then clear your cookies and cache using Ctrl+Shift+Delete if needed. That simple process fixes a lot of X.com and Twitter authentication issues. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and check out my other quick troubleshooting guides for more easy fixes.